Alright, here's your video for shape number 1. It'll be quick. It'll show you we need to use the dimensions that are here. So I'm going to start with 2 rectangles and then I'll dimension it. Actually, I'm going to show it a different way today. So I'm going to draw 2 rectangles, one here and one larger one. So I'll start in my front view. I'm going to draw my large rectangle. Then I'm going to draw another one just to give us our space. Okay, so now we're going to go back to our drawing and find our dimensions. These legs are both 0.25 with one tall and it's 0.75 wide. So I'm going to take my dimension tool, and now since I made my whole rectangle, I can just make this 0.75. I can make this side 1, and you can do that 2 ways. So you can either dimension from the top to the bottom, or you can do it the way I did before. 1, and then here to here is 0.25, and here to here is 0.25, and then we finish our sketch, extrude, choose the L, make it 0.75. Check your properties. Click the check your properties, click your shape, make sure you've got 0.281, and you're done.